Hey everyone, this is Nilesh, and in this live video, we are going to discuss about the one-time offer OTO1 upselling and the OTO1. So, in previous video, we discussed about the order form bump, and today we are going to discuss about the OTO1 upselling part one of upselling one and upselling two. So, this is today's about upselling one OTO1. So the order form bump is the byproduct of our flagship framework that is related to our flagship framework. That is related to byproduct. So right, and on the flagship framework we build 1 hour version. So the one in the 1 hour version we teach all those 1 hour in 10 6 module in the 10 10 minutes 6 modules. So in this OTO1 we build all those 1 hour version, all those 1 hour version in the 6 hour module. So every 10 we are going discuss all those things in the more more highly deep module. So just quickly I share my screen with all of you so you can see my screen as well. So here my screen is available. Yeah, my screen is there. So here you can see the our flagship framework. It is our flagship framework. It is called, we can call it is do it yourself. And this flagship framework we increase this flagship framework. It is the flagship framework where we teach all those in 1 hour version, and everything is the 10 10 minute version. So we deep more highly increase this version, and this flexi framework will be created in the 6 hour module version. So every framework will teach about 1 hour every module. So here it is called do it with you over the shoulder. So I am just one more example to give it to you so you can understand it better. Yeah, so here is the 1 hour module, and it every module has 10 minutes. So we this module make this module. So it is 1 hour version, then second it is 1 hour, next second 1 hour version, then third 1 hour version, fourth 1 hour version, fifth 1 hour version. So it is called the, it is we called upselling because it is the our flagship framework where we called where we teach done will do it for you, do it yourself. And here we are doing everything for you, so you can done with you over the shoulder. I am in previous video I am share with you how you can build membership funnel, and you can also watch my videos and make it by your own self. So it is called over the shoulder part. There is one thing. So yes, it is one thing. One more thing that when people are enter in our what when people are enter in our buying when we share just I remove the screen. So yeah, so when people buy purchase something, when people purchase something, they are in the yes mode. And when they are in the yes mode, we are pitch them. We are going to tell them a next upsell. That is next upsell, and with the upsell, we are create some kind of urgency. So that is the code. From that, we are increase the invite them from $7 and seven less ticket, and then buy product, then upsell to OTO1 OTO2. So it is called the friction. So it is called the friction. So people are in the momentum. So let's uh, more deeply about the friction. So here you can see the friction means uh, we are increase the product value, so people are not afraid to buy the things, to purchase the things. So here you can see 100 visitor test. 100 visitor test is meaning that if there is my one product and then second. So here is the price of this product is let's suppose 197, and it is the front end product, right? And when I pitch 100 and high ticket at front end, there is very less conversion. Out of 100 there is 2% conversion, and from this 2% it is 97% people purchase. So there is so much of less conversion between both. So and the second is yeah, here you can see the very less product, cheap price product. So 15% people purchase $7, and then after 20% again purchase the 97. So we make more money at upsell. So if you offer cheap price of product at front end, then more people purchase from you. So this is you find your qualified buyer. This is help you to find your qualified buyer, and they are in the state of yes mode to purchase. So when you promote high ticket upsell, you get more conversion, right? So here you can see I pitch at front end low ticket, so 50%, 15%, and then at the upsell $97 and 20%. So I make more money at this point, rather than at this point I make less money, because only 2% purchase 100, and then after that is less purchase. So it is called 100 visitor test, that where you can build uh, where you can build momentum for buying, where you can build momentum for purchasing. So yes, that is the thing. And what is the upselling and module 2, what you can, let's discuss about all those module. So yes, here is again we build we share 10 minutes, and this 10-minute version I teach in deeply. So how you can build this. So do it with you, we talk about do it with you. In this we talk every flagship framework. So all those 6 1 hour module, then you can first step, we take content from our flagship framework. Here you, from here you can take all those content from flagship framework, and then you can add all those framework into module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, module 6, everything over the shoulder. So don't take stress to create all those at the front end, because you don't have any idea people are going to uh, purchase from you or not. So once you build this, then think how the reaction of the people, how they are going to react. Then you can build second, then third. Right now I'm building this live, so it is my first. Then I'm building second live, so it is second. Third live, so it is third. So it is kind of all those module. I just give an example to you. So here is one more example of the OTO. So it is my course, so I purchased. So uh, all those things, right? Here you can upselling everything. So in the in his YouTube video, he teach everything in a very less time, or he teach overview out of outside things, right? And in this, he in his course he teach everything about from scratch. And it is you can sell that it is 1 6 hour module version, or OTO 2, OTO 1, upselling 1. Here you can, here he teach everything, and I am done. I am watch his video and apply in my own funnel, apply in my own product. So one more example you can see that here you can see one more example of the perfect webinar secret of Russell Brunson. Here it is the screenshot I am capture. So you can call it is the friction, it is offer stack that we build. And friction concept, if people come to page and 297 huge, if they see this huge huge product, they are not going to buy directly. But if they see so much of the less value, so much of uh, offer, so they are going to take this very fast, very quickly. So friction will also help you to create success things. So in the friction, so no need to, it is called, you can call it is no brainer offer. So buyer mention will continue in motion, so buyer motion will in continue in motion. So it is the kind of thing about the OTO 1 day 12. And today is a weekend, so tomorrow and Sunday there is no any training. So we are again meet in the with one funnel away challenge, we meet on Monday. So but I'm going live and I share something different. But OFA one funnel away challenge, mission 3, week 3 mission. So week 3 I share on Monday. So stay tuned with me, and if you are watching it live, so please put hashtag live, and watching it replay, so please put hashtag replay. And also share your key takeaway. So I get to know, ask your question in the comments or also share your learning, right? So it will help us to reach out to more people. So thank you so much, and please do it.